Hey everyone, welcome back to JM Counter YouTube channel, your go-to channel for everything digital and online business. So today we are diving into a hot topic, how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you want to turn your passion into profit, stay tuned to the end of this video. Watch the video to the end. Yeah, so before you get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon to be notified whenever I create a new video. And if you're watching this video from a different platform, head to YouTube, search JM Kaundo on YouTube, subscribe to watch the full episode. So let's get started on this episode. First, you need to understand Amazon affiliate marketing. Simply put, it's a program where you earn a commission by promoting Amazon products on your platform. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get a percentage of that sale. So you need to sign up for Amazon Associate Program, which is free and easy to do. So just go to Amazon Associate website, create an account, and you're good to go. Yeah, so that is the simplest way to start. Create an account on Amazon Affiliate Program, and you'll be starting your Amazon Affiliate Program journey right away. Number 2 is setting your YouTube channel for Amazon affiliate marketing. The first thing you need to know is the kind of content that you're gonna be creating, that you'll be using to promote Amazon products. So first you need to select the niche. So choose a niche that you're passionate about and has a wide range of products on Amazon. Then there are things like tech review. You can review tech items. You can do beauty tutorials. Yeah, so you can also do home improvements or fitness guide. So these are some of the things that you can be able to promote on YouTube from Amazon, right? So it depends with your passion, the things that you like, what you like, the content you're doing. Let's say, for instance, you are doing a travel blog. You can promote things like travel bags. You can promote things like the hotels. You can promote even cameras, that the shooting gears that you are using to shoot your content. So the next thing you need to do is to brand your channel. Make sure your channel branding is professional and reflects your niche. So include channel name should be something that is related to what you're doing. Then you have a logo, you have a banner, and your about selection should be clearly written in a way that shows the kind of content you're doing. All right, so the other thing is consistent in your content creation. So have a plan on how you're going to create your content, and let it be predictable. If you're consistent on your content creation, and your audience can really predict your content, then you'll be getting loyal and audience people that watch your channel. All right, hope you're getting value for your time, and please, if you do, click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Number 3 is to create affiliate content. Here are some of the content ideas that work well in affiliate marketing. You can do product review, an in-depth review of products in your niche. So you can also do top 10 lists, the best product in a certain category on Amazon or any other product, the platform that you are using to do affiliate marketing for. You can also do how-to guide tutorials that feature Amazon products. Then you can do unboxing. You can do videos unboxing various items, where you can unbox a GoPro camera, you can unbox maybe your lighting or any other item that you desire to promote, and then you share the links for that product that you have unboxed on your description box, and you encourage people to buy that product. So when you are creating these videos, always be honest and provide value to your viewers. People will always tell whether you are being honest or you're just try to make a quick buck. So make sure that the videos that you are doing and the reviews that you are doing are things that you are really you have reviewed, and things that you can really tell people with a lot of confidence that if you buy this product, it's going to help you. So at least, because you need to build a community where people can be able to connect with you, love you, and be able to trust you. So give people an honest opinion on the things that you are encouraging them to buy. All right, and that's how you're going to get referrals, because besides, you know, them buying from your affiliate links, they also tell other friends that you know, if you you watch this channel, they give honest reviews about different products. All right, so thank you guys for watching the video. Continue watching the video, like the video, subscribe if you're getting value for your time. All right, thank you so much. Number 4 is optimizing your videos for SEO. You know, SEO is search engine optimization. It is crucial for getting your videos seen. So you need to have, or you need to search for keywords, and you can use a Google Keywords Planner. You can use a TubeBuddy to get relevant keywords that are going to make your videos, you know, rank higher on YouTube. Yeah, so have a very clear title and the description. So make sure you include your keywords on your title and the description. And then another thing is have tags and relevant tags. Don't just use any other tags when you are creating your videos. So these tags are going to make sure that you know, your video ranks high whenever someone is searching for such a kind of content. So the other thing is thumbnails. Thumbnail is that a first picture that appears on your YouTube before even someone can click on your video. So let it be high catching, and that one increases the click-through rate. If your video, sorry, your thumbnail is not that clear, not one will, many people will not even click on that video, and maybe the content inside that video is very important. So make sure that you're having a very high catching thumbnail to increase your click-through rate. All right. Number 5 is adding your affiliate links. So once your video is ready, you can now add your affiliate links, and you need to add those affiliate links in your description. So place your affiliate links in your description box. Make sure you include a call to action, like, you know, you can tell people to check out the links on their description, and they use those links to buy the items that you're telling them to buy. All right, so, and then you can also pin at the comment section. You can have the first comment on your video having the links, and then you pin it so that it can become very easy for someone to get access to the links. So tell people verbally in your videos to check the links, and if they use those links, what they are going to get. All right, so that is very important. At least encourage people to use the links that you have provided in your description box, and make it clear that it is an affiliate link, and whenever they use that link to buy an item, it is going to help you, and it is also going to help the person that is interested in the item that you're selling. All right. Last but not least, promote your videos, share them on your social media. Yeah, so make sure that you're sharing your videos on your social media. Use TikTok, use Facebook and Instagram to share your videos. And if you're watching this video from TikTok, head over to YouTube, search JM Kaondo. If you're watching this video from Instagram, you're gonna be getting the same full version of this video from YouTube. So if you got value for this content, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be really happy if you can put a comment and a question at the same time, and I'll be able to answer if it's something that I can be able to tell you. Right, so thank you so much, and I'm sure if you're gonna follow these 6 steps, you will be on your journey to making money on YouTube with your small channel. You don't have to have a very big audience for you to make money on YouTube. All you need is that channel, and use it to make money using affiliate marketing. And I'm very sure as you grow your channel, you will also, you know, grow your skills in terms of affiliate marketing. And you don't have to use Amazon alone. That was just an example. You can use any other platform. There is many platforms that you can be able to do affiliate marketing for, and I'm sure you can make money from it. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. It's been a nice having you on my channel. Please subscribe, like, and leave us a comment.